Hi, it's Dan with Westlake Computer Expert. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean up some junk or unnecessary files on your PC um, that can use up hard drive space if you are running low on space, or you just want to do good housekeeping on your computer. It's a good idea to do these cleanup steps now and then. To start, if you go to the search next to the Windows logo and type in %, temp, T-E-M-P, %, and hit enter, you'll see a folder come up with temporary files that can be safely deleted. It's kind of a conglomerate of all the temp files on the system. If you go to the three dots where it says See More and go to Options, you'll see this folder options, and you want to look in View and make sure that you're showing hidden files and folders, and also that you don't have hide extensions for known file types checked, because that'll show you the complete list of temporary files that can be deleted. Click OK, and then here, if you go back to the three dots to See More and select all, it'll select them all, and you can just hit the delete button on your keyboard, and it should delete those temporary files. You might get a window like this where it can't delete a folder or file because it's running actively in the background. You can select this, do this for all current items, and click skip. It comes up again, click again, do not do this for all current items, and click skip. And then if you get a window like this where it needs admin privileges permission, just make sure that this is selected, do this for all current items, and click continue. And wait for it to delete and send them to the recycle bin. This folder, it can't do anything with the Outlook login, so you just have to cancel that part of it. Then from here, the second step would be to go to your system drive, C drive normally, with the operating system installed, and scroll down to Windows folder. Open up the Windows folder, scroll down to the temp folder within the Windows folder, and there are more temp files. You'll probably see more on your computer if you haven't done this, but I've done this recently, taken this step, so I don't have many temporary files to delete. And then you hit Control-A on the keyboard, normally it'll select the files in the folder, and click delete again. And again, you might get a window like this, so you'll have to skip these files. Actually, skip them all because I've already deleted all the other ones. Then close the window. Go to your desktop. If you're on a window like with a browser open or any other program, on Windows, you can go to the far right corner down in the taskbar and click to bring up the desktop. And on my desktop, I have a link to Recycle Bin, and I usually right click and open it just to check out to see that it's just a lot of temporary files, nothing important that I may want to restore later. And then I empty it, click empty, Recycle Bin, and there you have it. Hi, it's Dan again. I'm continuing this video. So another step you can take to clean up unnecessary temporary files is go to the search next to the start button and type in disk, D-I-S-K, and you'll see disk cleanup, and open that up, and it should show you a window where you can select a drive to clean up. Right now it's on my system drive, my Windows installation. It shows my other drives, but I'm going to deal with the C drive and click OK, and it'll calculate what can be freed up in different locations on the computer. You'll see I don't have much to be cleaned up because I just ran this before doing the tutorial. But before you, then you can pick and choose which locations you want to delete these files from. It's safe. Most of them are, all of them are safe. Sometimes you might see the download folder in the list, and people sometimes like to hang onto their downloads, so you can uncheck that so it won't touch that folder. But before you go ahead with this, you want to go to clean up system files and select the drive again, and it should show you your system files that can be cleaned up. Windows Update files, a lot of times it shows optimization files. I don't have anything really in here because I just did the cleanup. Before I ran the tutorial, I had 15 gigabytes in the system optimization, I think it was, that I freed up. And then you can select the locations you want to clean up, click OK, delete files, and wait for it to clean up. It depends on your system as far as how long this process will take. If you have a good amount of RAM and if you have a decent processor, it shouldn't take too long. If you have a SSD, it takes even quicker. From here, you can go to Recycle Bin again, just to check. You'll see that it's probably empty because Disk Cleanup doesn't put anything in Recycle Bin, it just directly deletes it. So that's the end of the little lesson. I hope you got some use out of it. My name's Dan. If you have any comments, please leave them. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't. Bye.